We know that.
This is private property, no trespassing.
We know that. So apparently, according to the Sanborn insurance maps of Manor, Texas, this building was once a blacksmith shop and a blacksmith warehouse as well. It has been a blacksmith shop since at least 1902 and 1905. Exactly when this blacksmith shop became abandoned is currently unknown. This blacksmith shop is currently owned by a man named W.F. Bryce. Apparently what I explored around and shown you in this urban exploration video was a blacksmith shop. And this blacksmith shop has been there since at least the 1900s, possibly even earlier. The exact date of when this blacksmith shop was built is currently unknown. However, this blacksmith shop could date to sometime back during the 19th century. I'm going to be showing you samples of the Sanborn maps that this blacksmith shop appeared on, from 1900 to 1925. This Sanborn map sample dates back to 1900. On the right hand corner of this map, you can see the caption BLSML, which is a blacksmith shop. Interestingly enough, the green square is not long and rectangular as the gray shop building is today. Those numbers you see diagonally placed along the property line are measurements of the property and building. The building was a single-story building, and on the northern part of the property you can see a yellow square. Exactly what that was is unknown, as that structure is no longer extant today. Here is a Sanborn map sample from 1905. On the eastern portion of the property, right in the middle, you can see another yellow square, which is a single-story structure, or was a single-story structure of some kind. Here is a Sanborn map sample from 1910. Notice that the green square is rectangular and no longer square, so that must mean that the building had been expanded in 1910. You can see the modification and expansion of this building. However, measurements for the property remain the same. So sometime between 1905 and 1910 is when the building was modified and expanded into a warehouse and storage. Here is a Sanborn map sample from 1916. As you see here, a storage building has been added on as an addition to the original building. Now the original building has been split in half, with one side being the woodworking part and the other side being the gasoline engineering part. Read the Sanborn map to get the information. So based off what I've been reading the Sanborn map, this building was more than a blacksmith shop. It was a place for gasoline engineering and woodworking. Here is a Sanborn map sample from 1925. The property still has relatively stayed the same. Now I'm going to play you the video again, but in slow motion this time.